Halo, kembali lagi dengan Kitchen Chatter. Aku Henny.
Aku Dari.
Kali ini Ayu skip dulu ya. Dia lagi sakit katanya, lagi pusing, mungkin lagi mikirin soal di Indo. Oh ya enggak juga kali. Enggak tahu mikirin laki atau siapa pacar. So kita kedatangan tamu. Nggak jauh sih karena laki sendiri. Kita mau nanya mengenai AI karena kebetulan dia masternya. Dia tahu banyak. Master sih nggak tahu banyak tentang AI. So, Hervé, welcome back.
Thank you. Okay. Hello, everyone.
Hello juga. So, we want to ask you about AI, knowing that you are expertise, or you know about, how do you know about AI? How can you tell us about it?
So I know for a few reasons. First, because I started company using AI when I was entrepreneur. So I was using AI to develop solutions mainly in computer vision. Meaning to do software that help camera to recognize people or to recognize animals. So these cameras were put on cars by Fiat on their cars to replace, in fact, lidars. So it's how
to replace what?
Lidars. So lidars is a way to measure what is outside of the car.
Okay.
So it's sending waves. And then when it's coming back, it's saying there is somebody in front or there is things going around, mainly for autonomous vehicle. So when the car do not have a drivers, so they have lidars or they have what I sold to Fiat, my technology in computer vision.
Okay.
And then in my company, actually, we use a lot of AI in order to do chatbot.
What is that?
So a chatbot, for instance, is you are going to call and a machine is going to answer to you, not a human. So you are going
like
to...
Siri, basically?
Like Siri.
Oh, okay, a simple thing.
Exactly.
Okay.
Like Siri or Alexa,
Alexa.
for instance, from Amazon. And I'm also doing, at this time, a PhD. So I'm a PhD candidate for AI and learning. So how AI can help learners.
AI can help learner like us, the dummies. Well, I'm sorry, I don't know anything about AI, neither technology. I don't know about you, Dari.
So far, what I understand about AI is like a Google replacement. Whatever I did, I'll just ask AI and she will answer it for me.
Okay.
Which is a good start, which is definitely a usage of AI. So it's how you use it, and it's the most important. I think that's nobody asks to everyone to create tools about AI, but everybody is going to use AI in their everyday life.
What is a everyday life example? Like
for example, I want to write an email to someone and I don't have much time. Okay. So I'm just going to give the name of the person, I'm just going to give 2 or 3 points why I want to write to this person, and I'm going AI to write me the email to the person. And to the AI, I can say it needs to be formal because I don't know the person, or it needs to be very familiar because I know very well the person.
And AI can do that, formal, informal.
AI will do it right away, and I can ask AI, I want 1 paragraph, I want maybe 25 words, or I want 100 words.
And they can do it.
And AI will do for me this email. So that's the basic.
It's called cheating.
No, it's called using technology. It's like when you use your phone to call instead of sending a letter, or it's when you use the calculator of your phone instead of counting. So you have to be careful because you want the kids, to keep their cognitive. It's why I'm doing this PhD about this subject. That's how it can be useful and not take away the learning, the intelligence of the people.
A little bit scary, isn't it? I mean, it's like gonna kill the everybody talking about, AI is gonna kill the future. So now, especially now, you are taking the master of it. Are you taking that kind of topic also? Is it really gonna kill the future? I mean, a lot of job is going to die, basically, right?
Yeah, some jobs are going to die, for sure. When you do a PhD, a big part of the PhD is what we call ethics. So ethics is to make sure that what you do, what you research, has follow rules of the humanity about, the well-being of people, that it doesn't harm people. So definitely part of the research is how AI can be a positive tool, and how can you avoid that it became a negative tool. So on your question, I have many examples that, the copywriter, people that are writing. Just my example, I was explaining that somebody is going to write for you, the computer, not somebody, the computer. But most of the copywriter now, what they do, instead of having one customer, because they had one customer a week, now they can write faster because they are using AI. And instead of having one customer a week, they have 5 customers a week. So the job changed, but didn't totally disappear. And without being very technical, there is something in AI, and after we'll go to the next generation of AI that is coming tomorrow morning, it's already there. AI is the prompt, so you need to give orders. And it's like when you give orders to people, you need to give a vision, you need to give a good order, or the people will not do what you want, or will not do exactly what you want, or will not do it well. And AI is same thing, so you need to be smart to use AI, because you need to give good orders to have a good results. Because if you do it, and you were talking about cheating, if you do it totally random, you will have a bad results, and everybody will see that you were using AI, and the result is bad. And so the people will tell you, no, you didn't do it. AI did it and did it bad. So now you are going to be judged on how AI is going to do right for you. So you still need to be intelligent and give the good orders.
Okay, basically it can use as a bad or a good, but then at the end of the day, the result, it's saying, right? So
you can see when it's totally done by AI. You can see.
So how can you be good?
How can you be good? That's a good point. I think we're still researching on that. It's why my subject has been chosen, because it's still something that is not totally clear. When the bicycle was invented, people went faster to go to school, to go to the next village, and then the car was invented. And you have good driver and you have bad driver. And the way to judge it, you have, if you have a lot of accident, definitely you're a bad driver. If you don't have accident, it means that you're okay. With AI, it will be almost the same. If you use it right, you will have good results, you will do more of your work, you will be more recognized, because people will say, when we ask to Dari something, the results is good, we are happy with the results, she can do more work. And that will be the way to use it right. If you do it, and you don't really care, and you just use it to save time and doing nothing aside, definitely it will be bad. So to answer totally to your question, how do you use it right? I think that the sooner it's used for the kids, at a certain age, because it's the new generation. And very often technology is technology for people that don't know technology. Technology is not really technology for kids. This phone for 10 years old, they don't know anything else. So when they see an old phone, they don't know what it is. So the thing is that they need to understand what is the strength of it, what can be done. But then you need good teacher to tell them, in order to be able to use it and to reproduce it or to make it even better, you still need to learn. You still need to know things.
The basic one.
Yeah, exactly.
The manual, basically.
The manual, but also a little bit more, because you can code now. So coding is like a language. So you can code using AI. So a lot of people that, let's say, were not good in mathematics. So we are not going to do developers or coding. Now it's open for everyone. So it's quite fair. That means if you're not good in mathematics, but you are understanding of AI, you can use AI, you can code with AI. Definitely, that's something you can do, while before you could not do it. So I think it's also the fairness of the tools that make everybody at the same level now. Of course, the issue, is it going to take job? Yes, it's going to take jobs.
You meaning killing the job, certain
Killing,
job, I
yeah,
believe, right?
killing some jobs for sure.
Okay.
But
like what? What was that word?
Copywriter.
Yeah, copywriter is totally changing.
Marketing.
Some of the
Marketing?
marketing as well. Legal.
HR.
Yeah.
Some of the HR, because some of the recruitment can be done now using AI. But if you look at the job 100 years ago, or even 50 years ago, you can list many jobs that were very good jobs 50 years ago that doesn't exist anymore now.
True. Yes. Correct.
So it will be the same. What has changed is the path of the speed.
That's correct.
Before it was taking maybe 40,
Yeah,
50
exactly.
years to see
Yeah,
job
yeah.
disappear. Now it's going to take a matter of maybe 10 years to
Yeah,
see
yeah.
jobs.
That's how anyway. It's technology, right? It's
Yeah.
always something.
Exactly.
It's always developing, right?
Yeah.
And are they teaching already AI at school? You know, like primary school or the school
they do.
student.
They
Are
do.
they already started?
Yeah, a little bit. It's mainly still at this time university where
Okay.
you have AI, especially in my specialty, AI entrepreneurship.
Okay.
Meaning a lot of young entrepreneurs, they don't want to go to university because they say I don't need it because I can learn everything on my phone, on
Yeah,
my
that's
tablet.
right.
So if I want to understand what is marketing, I just go there, and for 2 hours I listen to a speech of specialists. I can
Yeah.
find the book. I use AI to know more.
Yeah.
So university do it now definitely because they want the kids to really understand the tool.
Yeah.
You have it in high school.
Oh,
in
already?
some high school, yeah, some schools do it.
In Dubai, you think?
Yeah, in Dubai, yeah.
What,
yeah,
what do
yeah.
you think in Indonesia? Do you think it's reaching already there? Not quite sure.
I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I don't know.
Yeah, I think some teacher, at least I'm pretty sure that some teachers use AI to create content, so their content is up to date all the time. Let's say they want to talk about something happening at this time, I don't know, for the planet or for the sustainability. It can take a lot of time to search.
Yeah.
Using AI, the teacher will be able to do a course, and maybe in 6 months it's changing, and then very easily can update the course for the kids.
Yeah.
Which is one of the positive way of using AI, is that it's always up to date. I don't know if you remember when you were in university, it was a long time ago. I think some of the teachers were using the same classes materials for 10 years. What I was seeing was like 10 years ago. Now it's not possible anymore. Everybody will complain. Everybody will say, I don't
That's
need
right.
to go to class if it's to look at something 10 years ago. And AI is a good content creator, is helping a lot to create content. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So-
Okay.
So you're saying like majority of the AI use commercially is for the content, to make a content.
So far, a lot of in content, yeah, because it's very good to create content. So writing emails, creating contract. Then one of the first usage that was very impressive was a chatbot.
Yeah.
So when you call and before
yeah,
to
press
to-
one if you want this, press two.
yeah, but it's much better than before. The quality is much
It's
better.
upgraded, huh?
Yeah, it's quite. And now because people use it more, they can also put people faster to answer to real specific question. I have example of university in South Africa where they have 600,000 students calling for a period of only 1 month to ask information. And before, people were calling and nobody could answer because it was too many people calling. So now they have this first filter, and with that, they already half of the students, they in fact discover that it's not the good university for them. Not even talking to somebody from the university, but at least they have their answer. They are not losing time. They are calling, asking questions. Do you have this program? Do you have this mathematic specific program? No, we do not have this specific mathematic program. Okay, they hang up. So it's filtered a lot, and really talking to someone is 100,000 only now. So this came from 600,000 calls
Okay.
to 100,000 calls where
wow.
they need to have somebody behind the phone.
Yeah, correct.
So you see the efficiency, and people are happy because it's very different from.
So the job for call center is eliminated.
Okay, okay. Just don't take a job of call center.
No, or take the position of specialist, where after a while, after 3 or 4 questions, your call will go
Be transferred.
to a human that will definitely answer to more specific questions.
Okay, still basically
yeah.
we can use that.
Yeah, I think we
Okay,
can
yeah.
still,
Okay.
still use that. Yeah.
Well, that's quite interesting. I didn't know much about AI, but a little bit now I know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And next time we need to talk about the agentic AI, which is a new AI.
There is another thing?
There's
Oh
a
my
new-
god, I
What's
already
it
get
called?
headache.
Agentic.
Agentic.
Agentic AI.
It's nothing to do with chantic, right?
Yeah, agentic. Yeah.
Agentic.
You are
Oh,
agentic.
yeah, oh, thank you.
No, this one is AI doing its own agent, meaning that I'm going to ask to AI not a question. I want to go on vacation. So before I can say, give me the list of the best hotel in this region, in this price range, with this kind of review.
But that's in Google, you can do that
Yeah,
also.
but it's much faster with AI, and Google will give you first a list of maybe 10 sponsored.
Yeah.
So that means that it's paid for.
A filter, yeah.
So maybe they are not really the best. It's just because people paid
paid,
for
yeah.
it, and then you have a list of 150. If you ask to AI, I want 10, it will give you 10,
Oh, wow.
and we economize time. So now what I can do, I can create an agent, and I'm going to say I want to go on vacation in Indonesia from the 10th of October to the 15th of October. Do everything for me.
Oh,
And the agent know that need to reserve flying ticket, need to reserve hotel, need to reserve taxi, need to give you advice where to stay, what to eat.
Okay.
And this kind of agent now are doing almost the prompting job that you were doing before. So it's quite interesting. It's still new, but it's going also to change the usage of AI. And you can even ask, create an app to, I don't know, promote my cat.
Limo?
And then
Or promote kitchen chatter?
Kitchen
We
chatter.
need that AI?
yeah, and then this agent will do that. Will offer you a list of things that need to be done, and you will pick and choose the one that you agree. On some you may disagree, and then if you say reserve the flying ticket, the AI will ask you for your
Filter.
credit card
Yeah.
and will reserve the flying ticket for you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
That is a little bit scary, isn't it?
Quite impressive, yeah.
Yeah, it's scary too.
Yeah.
They can do everything.
Yeah,
Oh,
almost,
wow.
yeah, starting, yeah.
Oh, okay, wow, that's great.
Very
That's
nice,
well.
very nice. Really motivated me now to learn more about AI.
Oh, you're into this AI now? You want to take a
Yeah,
course?
because it's just like it's technology, right? It's
For
always
sure.
nice to catch up with technology.
Yeah, of course. Oh, wow.
Which I should have done that like 2 years ago.
Are you planning to open your own kind of AI company? Something like that? Set up AI company? Seems like you know much about
I
it.
was doing, what we call at the time when I did it algorithm. So I was
Okay.
using algorithm, which was the machine learning of AI.
Okay.
And why not? Yeah.
Okay. So
With this agent, I think there's few things that can be done.
ya, so Indonesia, denger ya, kalau butuh AI master, tanya sama kita. Oke, kita punya ininya. Punya masternya di sini. Oke. So I think kita wrap up ya for now about AI. We coming back again for agentic AI dengan
Remember, agentic,
yes,
so it's
agentic
easy.
AI. We're gonna discuss lagi. So sampai ketemu. Bye bye.
See you.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Bye.
Bye-bye.